Good evening, everyone. This is a video review of this rechargeable LED headlamp. So this one is unlike a lot of other ones that have just the cob LED all the way across the front. This one has the spotlight in the middle, and then these lights on either side can be red, and they're also indicator lights to tell you what mode you're in. And then it has the cob lights here, which are more of a wide broad beam, like a floodlight. So this power button right here is to go through each mode, and then this button over here is for turning on and off the motion sensor, so you could use this hands-free. And then there is the USB-C charging port on the underside. So let's see what we can do here. So that fence over there is 75 feet away. All right, there's low, there's high, there's high with the cob lights on, which you can see right there. Okay, there's just the cob lights right there. There's the red, and you got to change them pretty quick to so it doesn't turn off when you push the button. So there's just the spotlight on low. There it is on high. High with the cob lights, just the cob lights, just the red light, and then back off. So I'll turn it on that one, and then I'll press it and hold it, and you'll get flashing. Turn it off, turn it on high, press it twice, and you'll get high mode flashing. High with the cob, and you get that flashing if you want. Tap that twice and you get the red flashing. Okay, let me get it back on one of these modes, and then I'll press the motion sensor light. Start with it on. All right, so you do get the blue light to tell you that it's on motion sensor. Wave my hand in front, turns on. Wave it back off, or back by it, and it's off. On, off. I'll turn that mode off. Okay, so on the red mode, we'll see if I got that down. Again, the little blue light tells you that it's on the motion sensor, and then on or off. So it is pretty simple. It's just two different buttons. You just kind of got to know the sequence. And even if you don't read the instructions, it's pretty easy to figure out. So I believe that is going to be the most light that you get, is going to be the high spotlight and then the cob lights. So I really like this light. I have some of the other lights that have just the cob LED across the front, and those work great. They are a very broad beam that light up a whole big area, but they don't have the spotlight long range light that, you know, shoot out 75 or 100 feet or beyond like this one. So I guess it kind of depends on what you're using the light for. Kind of depends on which light would work best for you. So I'll keep both of them and use both of them. But if it's for longer ranges that I need to see in the dark, this is the one I'll be reaching for. And then if it's just up close work, changing a tire or something like that, then I'll use the other one. But I mean, this one fills both purposes. You could use the spotlight for projecting light far, and you could use the cob for projecting light close in a wide beam. And then if you want to protect your night vision with a red light, you could do that as well. And even if you want to have a flashing red light on your head for whatever reason, you could do that too. All right, folks, so this is it. Neat light. I think you'll like it. I know I like mine. You guys have a great night. Goodbye.